How to use gives in Foodpanda. In this video, I'll show you how to use gives in Foodpanda. So to get started, go ahead and open Foodpanda into your device and then sign into your account and then set your location first. And then from here, go ahead and select a restaurant where you want to order a food from. So you can select any restaurant from here since gives is available as a payment method on Foodpanda. So select a restaurant and then select an item on that menu of that specific restaurant and then add the item to cart and then click on view your cart button, and then once you're on your cart section, go ahead and finalize this first and then click on this review payment and address, and then head over into the payment method tab in here and then go ahead and set this to Gcash. Now once you click on this place order button, this would redirect you to the Gcash application on your device. So you need to sign into your Gcash account first and then select gives as your payment method on Foodpanda. And that is how you can basically use gives in Foodpanda.